Hey, Dr. Adam here, functional medicine doctor. We are at Sleeping Bear Dunes in Michigan. Look how beautiful that is. And we're climbing up this straight vertical incline. And I know that many people that we work with feel like this. They feel like their health is an uphill battle. And it's very common. It's fortunately the norm these days with conventional medicine coming up short for so many people. So that's you. I want you to ask yourself, are you willing to keep climbing? Are you willing to still just one more step every day, continue trying to find a solution for yourself? Because what is on the other side? We're about to make it to the top of this climb here. We'll feel that sense of victory that we made it. But what is that for you? What is that sense of victory for you? Because that's what will keep you going through the challenges of coming up short, trying supplements that people recommend on social media that don't work, and trying diets that don't work, and it's discouraging. I get it, but my hope for you, so you can continue to find that light and that spark to keep you going, and better yet, find an expert, a mentor who's climbed this mountain before, and who could help you to do it more effectively, to do it with less trial and error, with less frustration, less discouragement, and finally regain control over your health so you can live the life you want to live. That's what we want for you here. So like, subscribe, and look out for more. So we're all about helping you to regain control over your health.